is one professional apparel hat supplier in Guangzhou, China. Our company can offer OEM and ODM service. We are a leading domestic manufacturer and exporter of apparel. We are specialized in all kinds of apparel, like hoodies, jacket, t-shirt, pants, and all kinds of shirts. Has line including baseball hats, snapback caps, Wupa nail hats, trucker hats, winter hats, and beanies. All kinds of clothing can be supplied by us. Welcome our factory can set up order. Fashion can easily meet customer demand for these products. With our seasoned design team, we can supply not only classic styles but also customized OEM products. Fashion had established long-term business relationships with more than 30 countries' customers in worldwide. And now we have an extensive international and domestic marketing network. Over the course of our development, we have focused on increasing productivity and design capability in order to meet the demands of the international market and become a truly international company. In particular, we have been framing the groundwork that will enable us to successfully take part in and make the most of all cooperation